I want to... Oh, you're going to get it?
Get in there again.
Can we take your blanket away? Pull it out. He's not like mad, he's just like goofing.
He's squealing because he wants to get it pulled out.
Want me to help you? I'll help you. Here, baby. There you go.
This is way too heavy.
Turn it on for him.
Okay. These sticky diapers. Can I go throw this away?
Yep.
That's just a swim diaper, honey. He's following you. You're his bud.
I want to hear him scream.
Oh, he's going into the toilet. You better shut the